Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Thursday. I don't know the date. Oh, the 29th. And I'm in the new place. Okay. I got my keys yesterday, so we are early. So I'm just here to do some cleaning up. They did clean it yesterday because when I got my keys yesterday, they said I could come in if I wanted to, but the cleaners would be here. But I'm gonna do some cleaning up as well. And yeah. And go through and do all the little things. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I wanted to bring my little phone tripod and like do a real short something TikTok video, and I remembered the tripod when I was halfway here, and I was like, see, this is why I can't be a content creator, because maybe it's just too much. It's too much to remember. They gave us this little welcome kit, like so cute, and I'm just blocking out the name of the place, but yeah, it's super cute. Hours later, and I'm back here. It's currently 4:41. I would say I got here about 10 minutes ago, so like 4:30. And now I'm gonna get some cleaning done, okay, because we had to leave. Leah was losing her marbles. She needed to go down for her nap, and then she ended up napping in the car, and I needed to adjust her car seat, so she woke up, and it wasn't a long nap, and she's been very restless ever since. But Kevin's off work, so now he's at the house with her. I'm gonna go ahead, do what I gotta do in here, and I remembered to bring my phone tripod with me this time, so I'm gonna see if I can get good content. Honestly, pray for me, because I'm gonna feel so bad if the content is terrible, because it takes so much work to film. You know, you have to move the tripod for different angles and all that, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hey y'all, so the lighting is terrible. At least, I don't know, it's kind of brightening up now, but I am all done with my cleaning, and I just have some trash here, but I'm just gonna take it out. I will wait till tomorrow when Kevin's coming with me and let him take it down, because I'm sure we'll have more trash, because I did not bring a lot of stuff here. Like even the new stuff, there's still like new stuff at the house, so I know there's gonna be a lot more boxes. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking out these pots right now, and I'm actually filming for my little short form content situation I'm trying to do. Yeah. Right. This camera is on 11%. My phone's on probably 10. It's been a long day and I'm tired. But yeah. So I already showed y'all the pots, and then here we got some Tupperware. These are the utensils I got from Amazon. There's a few more. I have them in the drawer. They all don't fit in this little thing, and I don't like leaving stuff out. Y'all know I'm funny with stuff like that. If you watch my videos before, like my vlogs, you know I don't like to leave stuff out like this. I have a salad spinner, some Lysol, some tissue, these cloths that I got in like a huge pack, and I've been using them to clean. This drying mat with a rack that folds up and put away for storage, because I don't want anything on the counters for real. I have an ice maker, it's gonna be on the counter, and then our microwave is gonna be on the counter, and that's enough. Okay, we don't need nothing else. This is a paper towel holder. It can either be mounted or suctioned, and I am going to use the suction feature and put it on the countertops. Yeah, stove is clean, fridge is clean. Okay, she's sparkling. I cleaned the pantry, and I just put those down there. Some crockpot liners. I'm getting a new crockpot, by the way. I threw mine away. And then cleaning supplies that I used today, plus some paper towels that I had as well. And then in here, this is the kids' bathroom. I put their soap thing and the little toothbrush holder thing. Bathroom's clean. Put a mat down. Put the shower curtain up. Just basic, you know. That mat is very small. I mean, they are small because they're kids, but man, like what? I might have to get a new one, honestly. I don't know. But anyways, the camera's on 6%. I'm trying to hurry, okay? And then our bathroom, and I have our toothbrush holder, soap dispenser. I just have those there. They're gonna go in the cabinets. And then I have our mat down. Our mat is also small, but if you look at the shower, yeah, it works, you know? So yeah, that's basically it. Everything else that I cleaned is just like doorknobs, windowsills, the towel racks. I dusted like closets, pantry, all of the things. And yeah, that's basically it. And here's gonna get vacuumed after all the moving and stuff is done. There's no point in vacuuming it now. Yeah, so this angle is terrible, but we're gonna ignore that. I also am recording this on my phone because I did not grab my camera. I did not realize. But it's Saturday. It's officially moving day, but there's a ton of stuff already at the apartment because Kevin moved a lot of the stuff yesterday, like a lot of the boxes and stuff. So yeah, and then everything that was new that we had in boxes that had like gotten there in the last couple of days, also brought it there and put them in the rooms, or so he said. We'll see. I'm just going to drop off the stuff that's in my car, then I'm gonna go to the house and grab some more stuff in my car and then go drop that off. And then once I'm done taking all the things that I can take in my car, I'm just gonna go to the new place and start unboxing. But the things that I'm gonna unbox first are the things that need to be assembled. So that's my plan. Or at least the main thing. I'm gonna do the bed frame. I want to set that up and then set up the mattress, because I feel like once I have those set up, then everything else should be relatively easy. You know what I mean? You just want to make sure that your sleeping quarters are in order and then go from there. So that's my plan. So yeah, I have a ton of stuff in my car. And I'm gonna have a ton more stuff in my car when I go to load it up again. I'm also running on very, very little sleep because Aaliyah went to bed early yesterday because she didn't take a second nap. So she went to bed at like 6:30, and so she woke up at like 2 in the morning, and she didn't go back to sleep until like 5. Yeah, and I didn't go back to sleep. At 6 o'clock, I was like, you know what, let me try to shut my eye for a little bit, and I was like, I'll probably wake up at 8. Well, that didn't work because she was up right at 7:30 like she always is. So yeah, I just dropped her off at Jordan's so she could watch her for me for a few hours while I get some stuff done. Like once I have the stuff transported to the new place, I'm fine with like trying to like unbox things while she's there. Like that's the easy part. The part that's like chaotic is trying to go back and forth with her, having to put her in her car seat, get her out the car seat, and then also I need both my hands to carry stuff up. Okay, we got the camera, and I don't know if y'all can see, but my car is full, as full as can be right now. The back is stuffed, the front is stuffed, the back side that Aaliyah's not on is stuffed, and yeah, I am so exhausted. I don't remember the last time I sweat this much. Okay, yeah. And I'm just like, whoo child. And I'm feeling a little under the weather. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I feel like all this work is gonna it's gonna get me together, low-key, because you know when you sweat it out. And I don't know if this is just like because the weather is all over the place why I'm under the weather, or if it's because the air quality is so bad. Because if you didn't know, air quality here is absolute garbage. It's the same thing that was going on in New York. We obviously didn't get it as bad as New York. My throat is scratchy and I'm congested and all the things, but we'll be fine. Honestly, I feel like I need a week to recover from moving. Just because it's so much up and down, whatever. But y'all, it is about to be 2 o'clock. I was gonna pick up Aaliyah in like 2.5 hours, and that's because I was timing up her nap time or whatever. But Jordan said she was slumped, and she was like, you don't have to rush to get here, whatever. Her event is not until 3:30, and she's saying she's really close to the place, and the only thing she has to do before she go is make a stop at this CVS or something. So yeah, shout out to her. Okay, she's a real one, because I was able to fill my car up as much as I did and move some other things in position for Kevin because he's loading the truck. And shout out to my brother because he came through and helped us. He was helping Kevin move the big furniture items, the couch, dressers, and all that stuff. And he put some stuff in my car and all the things. So yeah, everything else Kevin said he can move by himself. So he is actually on the way to take my brother home now. But yeah, period. We love our siblings that just be there for us, okay? Quick, well, it's not gonna be quick, but we have a grocery haul. So we got some crinkle cut fries, chicken wings, 2 things of salmon. We're about to use those today. We have some chicken nuggets, jumbo franks, turkey cheddar sausages, some sliced cheese, bologna, sharp cheddar, shredded cheese, mixed vegetables, broccoli, sliced turkey, chicken breast, bacon, pork chops, topping. We have 2 things of eggs, blueberry, strawberry, juice boxes, noodles, honey, orange juice, mustard, vinegar, some other juice, rice, almond milk, yogurts, carrots, lemons, zucchini, and some veggie chips. Spinach, we have pasta sauce, corn, beans, more beans, mac and cheese, sugar, cereal, corned beef, we have sauce, pasta, we got some bread, we got some cream of chicken, cream of mushrooms, so what do you call it, smothered chicken, we have some spray oil, soy sauce, I don't know if I said that, pancake mix, green beans, seasonings, bagels, peppers. I think the camera is zoomed up. Oh yeah, it was. Oh wow, my bad. We got some relish, cookies, paprika, broth. Hey guys, so I have not vlogged in a minute, okay? I don't know what I've gotten footage of, but I don't want to make this vlog too long because I gotta edit it, okay? And you know, I don't be having time to edit long videos. I know long videos are kind of in on YouTube, but for one, I don't have that type of time to edit like no hour-long video, and for 2, I just feel like people don't be watching those on my channel. Like, y'all barely watch the little videos I do put out, okay? So I am not about to post a 1-hour video and play myself. But yeah, today is Tuesday. It's actually July 4th. I am gonna go to my family's house in a few hours because my mom's cooking and stuff. Y'all know we don't celebrate, but people love having the day off work, love cooking food, love eating and getting together, okay? So yeah, my mom's cooking, so we're gonna go over there. But before we do that, we have to go back to the old place and get some miscellaneous things that I left there, and also get some trash outs and put it on the curb. So we're gonna do that, and I'm meeting Kevin there because he actually is at work. So I'm gonna meet him there by the time he's off work, and then we're gonna do all that stuff and then go to my family's house, and Jordan's gonna be there. I'm pretty sure my aunt's gonna be there and all the things. So yeah, right now I'm just putting some clothes away because we still have some things in boxes. So yeah, I'm hanging up some clothes, but that's pretty much it. I think I'm done showing y'all different little things that I'm doing here and there. Yeah, I think if I do show like anything else, it'll be like short form content, so probably on TikTok or Instagram Reels or something of the sort, or maybe even YouTube Shorts. So yeah, but everything's coming together super nicely. TV stand is assembled, beds assembled, nightstands, all of the things. I have an Amazon order to place because I need to get the baby gate, because we have like a landing right here and then the stairs, and I don't got time for Aaliyah to try going down them steps. Okay, so I need to get the baby gate, and then the little magnetic locks for the cabinets and stuff. So yeah, it's actually a really nice day out. Well, let me not say really nice, because really nice for me is not too hot, not too cold. Today is gonna be a hot day out. Okay, but it's better than the last few days because it's not raining or gloomy or anything like that. So yeah, just chilling. Aaliyah's taking her nap right now. By the time she's up, we're just gonna probably go outside, hang out for a little bit. I'm gonna pick up, well, there's not anything to pick up really. Everything's pretty much tidy. It's just unpacking things. So I'm just gonna do some more of that. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for later when I get to my family's house. Probably just for a little bit and close out the vlog at that point. So yeah. Alright. Hey guys, so I'm back. Just to close out the vlog, I said I was going to take you guys along yesterday when we went to go get food and all the things, but I did not take you guys anywhere. Well, actually I lied. I did take the camera. I just completely forgot that I was supposed to be recording and all the things, so that did not happen. But yeah, right now it's about to be 9:30. I'm about to go read Aaliyah some books and prep her snacks and lunch for the day, and then I have work at 10. Oh, I wasn't trying to do all that. Then I have work at 10. So yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really don't know what all I recorded, but I'll see when I'm editing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.